Hi, and welcome to D3.js Key Concepts. My name is Bill Shander. I've been doing data visualization since 1994, a long time, for a whole bunch of clients all around the world. I love data visualization and information design. I really love turning complex ideas and data into compelling, visual, and usually interactive experiences. I've been teaching and speaking about data visualization and information design in conferences, in online courses, and in workshops around the world. This course is a great introduction to D3.js, which is an amazing JavaScript library for creating interactive and animated data visualizations. In this course, we're going to learn a little bit about SVG, which is one of the two ways you can create data visualizations in D3. We're going to talk about really using data to drive data visualization and interactive graphics. We're going to use some of the key D3 features like scales and axes, and we're going to do some animation and interactivity. It's going to be a fantastic introduction to the topic, and you're going to be working on a real live project. And beyond this project and beyond the skills that we're going to cover, you'll be sort of set up with the skills that you need in order to decode and learn how to use other D3 features in the future. So let's get started.